Yo, what's going on, my ninjas? My name is Sensei Carls, and I have dedicated my life to the martial arts. I also have this huge passion for cars, and on this channel you will find both of those things. Welcome to the Ninja Vlog lifestyle, where we enjoy cars, cinematography, and of course, my crazy athletic lifestyle, all while living in the beautiful state of Colorado. Thank you guys so much for finding my channel. What do you say we get into today's video? Yo, what's going on, my ninjas? My name is Sensei Carls. Welcome back to the channel, Ninja Vlog style. And today, definitely doing some ninja stuff. We're gonna teach you how to do a monkey fist lanyard tutorial for some self-defense techniques that you can try at home. Really simple to do, nothing too crazy. And if you've came to the channel and subscribed in the last couple of months, I appreciate you guys so much for helping me grow the channel and the brand, you know, the business just on a digital platform, if you will, because the business has been running strong for 21 plus years, and you know, YouTube's just another avenue of, I guess, connection with the community, right? So anyways, let's teach you guys today how to do monkey fist self-defense with your lanyard. Jump with me to the dojo in 3, 2, 1. See you guys there. Alright, my ninjas, so what you're going to learn first is the block and wrap around the neck. So as showing, my student did that block, I wrap around the neck, and then you go up and for that choke. So as I'm demonstrating on the video, I'm telling you to push that arm out of the way. As you do so, you're going to get a counter reaction with the head that's going to throw their body out of the way from that block, quickly bring it around. It doesn't really matter which hand comes under and over, it just needs to be one hand. So she blocks, she comes under, and she chokes. Alright guys, second we're going to do the one where the bad guy reaches in, you reach up and over, pull down on the elbows with your elbows, pull that neck into a knee lift. So watch as I grab, she goes up and over, grabs the neck, pulls into a knee lift. The importance of this one is the bad guy needs to be able to come underneath. So when you lift your elbows up, you're opening that space and then grabbing and pulling back in. Grab, pull a knee. Alright, and last but not least, let's say that doesn't work on the previous technique and they're supposed to grab on the inside like they're supposed to, and like this, they grab on the outside. You just take those lanyards, you push it straight to the face. Now, I told her, I'm not going to let go. I'm going to lock my arms out, and you're going to need to push straight up against the face. You take that paracord, push it right underneath the nose, go straight to the eyes, pull the head down, you're going to create a reaction. Oh, they grabbed on the outside, inside, push, 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 right? You're trying to create a reaction. The bad guy grabs on the outside again. I want you to come underneath. I want you to push against their face. You have a lanyard in your hand. Push. Oh, surprise attack. Come underneath. Push, 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 push. Good. Create a reaction. Use the bearing if you need to, swing it around and hit. But you guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button if you caught value from this, and subscribe. I will see you guys next week. Ninja Vlog out.